was only cheap. I put it there because the Meals on Wheels, when they come, and the shower assistant comes, or anybody. Yeah, the freezer's gone. Mate Trev, today is Thursday. Yeah, I didn't know what day it was. Thursday, 1st of March. And it's the first day of autumn. First day of autumn, and it's still hot. Feels like it's still summer. Welcome to my new vlog today. Now, the last 2 days I've been absolutely busy, flat out. Because I had to take the freezer out because it broke down. It wasn't working very well. So now that fridge that you saw, that's going to go too. Because I'm going to show you something. I got very busy because this is our new fridge. Yeah. New fridge. Freezer. Got a freezer in it. Yeah. And the freezer. Fridge, and it's a bit hard with the sun. So it's a whirlpool. Yeah. So I've been very, very busy. We've got to get that in with help of my sisters and maybe some new hands. I need some busy hands here. Now I've got trays and stuff for that fridge. So once we get the old one out. Because that is good, and I'm going to sell it. So if you want a fridge, it's just a fridge, actually. It's not a freezer. Maybe it's a bit cooler on top, but you know, look, if you're looking for a fridge, it's there. Moving. I've been playing Fred Flintstones today. The Flintstones here today, because I've moved all those bricks. Did all that this morning by the caravan. Yeah. Because all the bricks are over here now. Yeah. Oh, over there. Because this caravan is going to be moved down to the shed, down to the garage a bit. Because I'm going to open all this area up. I'm going to open all this up and turn it into a barbecue area. And hopefully, I'm hoping to get a pizza oven sometime in the future. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a party. So this is gonna be good. There's gonna be a lot of hard. Okay, now I've just had my x-ray on my neck here and there, and yeah, so I've got the proofs. So yeah, that's pretty quick, eh? I don't know what's going on, so I won't know till my chiropractor tells me what's going on. So I'll have to have a look at the proofs, find out what's going on in my neck and my shoulder as well. There's a lot to do with my shoulder because I do have a weakness in my right shoulder, so I'll have a little bit of trouble lifting things. So I can get the arm up, all right. Just when I get the arm up, feel a little bit of a sensation, yeah, in between the arms, in the middle of the arm, sort of thing. So I don't think it'll be anything serious, but who knows? We'll see what happens in the next few weeks. Anyway, I've got to go and see my brother, Peter, and see how he's going. Catch you a bit. Oh yes, looks like we're up for another freezer. Actually, we've had a freezer, we've had it for quite a long time, and it's not working very well, so I think one of the elements are gone, or something like that. So actually I'm defrosting the whole freezer, getting rid of all that ice, and so we could be getting another one. Looks like another one. We're going to get deep freezer actually. A deep freezer, well that's not actually a deep freezer really, it's just an ordinary freezer because the door opens out. So with the deep freezer is the ones with the lid door on the top which opens upwards. You know what I mean? So we're going to be in for a deep freezer. We'll see what we can do, see what we can come up with. May Trev, today is Wednesday, 28th of February, last day of the month, yes, and last day of summer. Oh. That means no more swimming, no more swimming. Oh well, it's still warm. Anyway, and today, now I'd mentioned about the freezer. Our freezer packed up. I've got to get a fridge freezer. So we're going to replace the freezer and the fridge. So we're going to take those out and get a fridge that's got a freezer attached to it. So I've got to pick that up today. So I've already done my house chores this morning, done my mopping, and the kitchen and the lounge room. Looks good now. So now just about to go and see Peter, my brother, take him to the bank because he wants some money. So then take him to the men's shed where he usually goes to. Yeah, so anyway, I'll catch you a bit. Yeah. Okay. This is our old fridge. We had to put it in the lounge room for a moment because our new one is here. That's our new one. Yeah. Got a freezer. Yeah. And a fridge. Yeah, don't look merry. Oh, I better go and move my car. In the back. Busy cleaning all down the yard. No salespeople, people, please. They like me blackboard. They like my little blackboard.
Oh, that one?
It was only cheap. I put it there because the Meals and Wheels, when they come, and the shower assistant comes, or anybody, if I'm not here and the door's open, well, they'll know I'm down the yard or cleaning something. So no salespeople, please, no canvassers. You got that in your house. We don't want salespeople. Anyway, I've got to go move my car. There's all the bricks I had to remove this morning from there. Yeah, I had to move all those. Actually, this bush here, all this bush is going to be cut out. Actually, it's rosemary. It's a rosemary plant. Yeah. You can put these when you're cooking something on in your pan or something. You can use these for aroma, a bit of aroma, rosemary smell. Yeah. You can smell it off your hands. So that's rosemary. But I've got to cut it back because it's getting too bushy. I'll sit on the seat again. My favourite seat. That's the swing. Anyway, how was your day? Mine was good. Mine was very busy. Busy the last 2 days, really. And tomorrow I'm off to Albury again. Yeah, because I've got to go and pick up my electric guitar. and I'm really looking forward to getting that. It's American guitar too, American electric Telecaster Fender. I know you're saying, oh, yes. Anyway, I'm going to finish this vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed the other clips too from yesterday and the day before. And so, anyway, have a great weekend. Don't forget, I'll try and put up the part 9 of Trevor's Memory Lane. That'll be coming up, and so I shall upload my next video on Monday. Have a great weekend. Create harmony, peace. Bye. You never know what I get up to next. Such as mowing lawns. I can hear my neighbours. My neighbour, he's mowing his lawn. Good luck to him. Mine's all cut.